In case you didn't know, Yellowstone National Park sits atop one of the largest volcanic systems on Earth. And while it hasn't erupted in about 640,000 years, experts say it's definitely going to happen again in the future. If the Yellowstone supervolcano were to erupt, it would be a devastating event for the entire country, as geologists consistently rank it the highest for the potential damage a volcano could cause. With that in mind, it's pretty clear that the states of Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho would suffer the most damage. But what about South Dakota? Is the Mount Rushmore state far enough away from Yellowstone to avoid serious damage? If you're looking for the short answer, yes, South Dakota would be hit hard if the Yellowstone supervolcano erupted. The entire state would be covered in ash, killing livestock, crops, and a significant number of people as well. As Travelwell puts it, any state near Yellowstone would experience mass destruction. Nearby states like Idaho, Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Wyoming would suffer greatly if the Yellowstone volcano erupted in the same manner as it did millions of years ago. Wyoming, Colorado, Montana, and Idaho would see 3 to 4 feet of ash at a time. Other sources state that ashfall would be the worst thing to deal with. The eruption would produce massive amounts of volcanic ash and debris, which could be carried by winds to South Dakota and surrounding states. Ashfall would have devastating effects on agriculture, infrastructure, and public health. Ash could damage crops, contaminate water supplies, and disrupt transportation and communication systems. Fortunately, the Yellowstone supervolcano does not appear to be showing any signs of erupting at this time. To learn more about the consequences of a Yellowstone eruption and its broader impact on the U.S.,